Welcome to I Am Naidu. I'm going to show you a new dress drape. So first you're going to take the polu end and pin it behind your back. Of course you can start with the side and then maneuver it to your back. Now you're going to fold that sari in half and fold it to about your waist, so that way you're creating a bit of a shorter skirt. And once you have that set up, you're going to go ahead and pin that in place. This sari drape is going to take a lot of pins, so be ready. Now you're going to work your way to the end of the sari and we're going to start pleating from there. I typically like to use my fingers for the midsection while using my thumb and my pinky to hold the ends. So once I complete this, I'm able to unfold it and have all my pleats in place. You're going to want about 4 to 5 pleats on that side and you're going to tuck it into where the waistband would be. And you're going to make sure you secure these with pins, especially if you're using a heavy sari. I would recommend a lot of pins. You're going to pull the sari back around you and find the midsection of where this sari ends. So we're going to tuck a little bit in so you can see exactly where you want those pleats. And now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here, doing about 4 to 5 pleats, or as much as you need to get that sari in. You can always adjust this style to have more pleats on each side. Just like the left side, you're going to go ahead and tuck that in as well and make sure you have plenty of pins to keep it in place. Once you have that complete, you're going to go ahead and tuck the rest of that sari in the back because you want a smooth finish to this dress. Now accessorize to hide that crease and there you have it. Now you have another drape to add to your collection of styles.